Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll teach you how to play Balisong by Rivermaya on a ukulele. So first, grab your ukulele. And tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So sa verse, ang first chord ay D minor. Then E flat. Then for the strumming is down, up, tap, then up, then tap. Your face lights up the sky on the highway. Someday you'll share your world with me. Someday you mesmerize me. Diamond eyes. I try to fool myself to think I'll be alright, but I am losing all control. My mind, my body and my soul. And chorus. So chorus ay B flat. Then after ng B flat ay F minor, so pwede dito. Then string lang tong G string. Next ay C minor. Then sunod ay E flat minor. Then string lang itong G string. Then ang summing nito ay pwede lang down, down, down throughout the chorus. My mind, my body and my soul. Never in my life I've been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted and more. Balikan naman. Just speak and not to where to begin. Directly myself, finding myself in. So more or less yun lang ang mga chord progressions na ginamit sa kanta. So sa verse, D minor at E flat. Then sa chorus ay B flat. Then F minor, C minor, at E flat minor. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.